Me and Mike are out here in the middle of the desert, literally. There's nobody. There's no one. There's like nobody out here. The guy just left us in the dust, said, hey, you can make a fire with this stuff.
Let's get set up, get the fire going, get some beer going.
Got some pants on now. It feels like winter out here.
Yeah, for real.
The desert is very misleading. We are encountering an insane windstorm with freezing rain out of nowhere. As soon as we stopped recording, it started getting crazy. The tent is blown the whole way over to my car. This has just become very miserable. Very fast. Like, we're already thinking about leaving. It is freezing out here, and the tent does not want to stay in the ground. So some of these are gonna need more than one. Worst timing. I don't want this to smack against my car at this point. I'm gonna reverse my car real quick. We may still stay. I don't think we're gonna leave necessarily unless we have a massive this open. Unless we have a massive rainstorm. Like, look at this man out here. Leave it right here. We got the rain guard on just in time, right before it started pouring. So we're gonna see how it
Hands out.
yeah, we're gonna see how it works out here with the rain. This is what it's for. See how dry we stay tonight.
Yeah, apparently it rains in the desert.
Arby's is really hitting the spot right now. That's cool. I'll sleep in the car. The tent's just chilling, holding down the fort. We're gonna try to sleep like this now. It's gonna be pretty chilling, but I think we got it.
Yeah.
It's a cool, crisp, sunny day out here in the desert. Mike and I are about to hit up the hot springs.
Oh yeah.
All right, we've arrived at the trailhead. It's only 11 a.m., but it's pretty packed. Dude. Yeah, 5 minutes in and we already got lost. We were following this other group and now they realized they were going the wrong direction.
Zach said it's pretty common for people to get lost.
Yeah, we're almost there. Making our way down. How's that feel? Woo. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a lagoon out here. Oh, minnows. There's little minnows in there. This is so cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, my feet feel amazing right now. Oh, it is really popping. This is so cool, dude. It's not the coolest spot, man.
You got a headlamp too. I have one of those.
Yeah.
I have a headlamp too, and it's nice.
What do you mean for GoPro?
Yeah. You want to trade?
Oh, no, I'm good right now. This is hot. Put your feet in this. Oh snap. Ah. To the hot springs.
Oh, Butters, no. Butters, no. Say hi.
Oh no.
Come on.
Oh man, he made it at least. It's crazy because this water up here and all these hot springs and this little pool here is all very hot. Like it feels like 90 degrees, but this area here is a complete cold water pool. Oh, that is hot. Damn. So hot, it's like 90 degrees. If not more, this is hot as shit. Oh yeah. Oh. There's minnows in here. Oh, way steep now. It's getting colder.
At least I can step on it.
How deep is this?
The deepest spot for him to like 7 feet.
Oh, you got a doggy paddle.
Right there, straight ahead of you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a hot waterfall. Oh, it's like a resort. You got the palm trees up here. You gotta be really mean to that clutch if it's a newer boat.
I can't catch it. Right here. All right, no! For a break! No!
I got it!
You hit Scarlett in the forehead.
Souvenir!
It's okay, you can toss it. Do we have a medic? Medic!
You
got it. I think we're driving everybody away from it.
One up there and then. Well, I challenged Slim Jim.
That's the hottest one here.
When we got here, like people were just laying in for like 30 minutes.
They've been saying that, but that's the hottest spring here.
Yeah, for just over 100.
Yeah. They're saying 140.
What? I don't know.
20, I don't know if they're...
Probably like 110.
Tell me what you want.
Tell me, guys.
to do a flip.